Alright, buddy. Here's our last item of the evening. This looks like a book entitled DreamWorks Trolls Glitter Party Scratch and Sketch. Front and the back. And let's open it up and see what we have, huh? I bet it's pretty cool. Anything that has the trolls is cool, right, bud? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what you got. Oh, wow.
Ooh, oh, look at that. Glitter party.
Look at all the different stuff you can do in there.
Pages. Oh, there's a maze. Can you draw on that?
Artwork, yeah.
Wow, dress to impress. Ooh, I don't know what that is. But, oh, you can draw there, dear puppy. Excuse me, honey. Wow.
All kinds of stuff.
Is that a little pencil that goes with it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's your scratch and sketch pencil. Alright. Very nice, buddy.
Thank you for watching for our video, and more videos will be coming soon.
Alright, good night, everybody. The end.